Hello students, in this video we will talk about the climate of India. So, the climate of a country is mainly based on the study of its temperature, rainfall, atmospheric pressure and the directions of the winds. Climate is one of the most fundamental element of our natural environment. Climate of an area influence human life in a variety of the ways. You will notice that the climate in the mountains regions of India is very cold. The people living there wear a heavy woolen clothes all the year round. On the other hand, the people living in the southern parts of the peninsular plateau hardly need woolen garments. Due to its a large expanse, India has a variety of climatic regions. India has a tropical monsoon climate. The climate of India is strongly influenced by the monsoon winds. The monsoons are the seasonal winds which are reverse their directions of flow with the change of seasons. Now, what are the factors affecting the climate of India? Some factors are affecting the climate of India, like first is latitude. India lies between 8 degree north and 37 degree north latitude. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the India and divide the India into two parts. The southern parts lies in the tropical zone and the northern parts lies in the subtropical zone. The temperature remains quite high during the summer, but in the winter the temperature falls down and the northern plains record the below the freezing points in many parts of the Himalaya belt. However, it is a low to the moderate in the rest of the country. Thus, India by and the large enjoys a hot tropical climate. The Himalaya are also responsible for the tropical climate of India. The Himalaya is a young fold mountain. It is a high and extensive mountain system. The Himalaya form a climatic barrier separating the Indian subcontinent from the rest of the Asia. It protects the India from the cold winds which winds coming from the northern side of the India. If these winds reach to the India, then the India becoming a cold desert. It also obstructs the southwesterly monsoon, thereby causing the heavy rainfall in the northern plains of India. It forces the southwesterly monsoon to shed their moisture in the northern plains of India. The southern part of India have a large coastal area and enjoying the equable and the moderate climate. The moderate and the equable climate means that area have a no more differences between the summer and the winter temperature. And the large area of the northern part of the country lies too far away from the sea. The places located away from the coast have a far larger daily and the seasonal range of temperature. Those area which is large lies away from the sea have the continental climate. The continental climate means the summer's temperature is very high, but the winter temperature is very low. Sometimes it's recorded below the freezing point. Altitude is also an important factor affecting the climatic conditions in various parts of India. A higher altitude is responsible for lower temperatures not only in the northern mountains region but also in the peninsular plateau regions. So there is a decreases of 1 degree Celsius for every 166-meter rise in height, because the temperature decreases as you move to higher altitude. So the mountains are cooler than the plains. Why the mountains are cooler than the plains? Because of high altitude. For example, Ooty has much lower temperature than the Kochi. What is the reason? The reason is only the high altitude. Either it is the Ooty is lies near the equator. The next is jet streams. Jet streams are cold, fast blowing winds that develop in the upper layer of the atmosphere. and they influence the climate of India. Jet streams are band of strong wind that generally blow from west to east all across the globe. They impact weather, air travel, and many other things that take place in our atmosphere. Jet streams dwell where air masses of differing temperature meet. These fast moving currents also have an impact on the arrival or departure of the monsoons. The Western Ghat also plays an important role in the affecting the climate of India. The Western Ghat rises like a wall from the western coastal plains, more or less parallel to the coastline. This wall like a mountain, and this mountain forces the southwest monsoon to shed all the moisture in the windward side of the Western Ghat. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you all.